Hi buddy, today I'm going to show you the sensors of an iRobot Roomba. So, the sensors are the bumper sensor. This obviously feels around. This also here, I'll put the camera here so you guys can see this better. This, you can also see the strip here and a little bit of infrared LEDs. These are, it slows down before it bumps into it, so pretend this is my hand is the wall. You'll go into it with its infrared sensors. See this, then it's going to lightly touch it. Turn it over. These things right here, four of these things are your cliff detection sensors. So you have them, and if it encounters a cliff like this, it wouldn't fall down. So quickly demonstrate the cliff detection sensors. I'll show you the light touch bumper technology. And I'll also show you, this is a virtual wall that you can put this up, you can put these up, and it'll prevent the Roomba from passing this. It can't go past that. So I'll demonstrate how that works in a couple seconds. So when a cliff comes, it automatically comes back. Okay, so I'll show you the virtual wall now. Let's see if I can get the virtual wall to work. And we'll set up the virtual wall, turn it on.
That will wash away.
And then I'll put it here. I'll turn it on.
There's no way to get away from any type of water.
Sure.
And then Jenkins said,
Oh
See, you can see it doesn't like to get close to it. It goes back.
Every day has articles about this. Literally every day. It's true. It's the best.
One more time. Sorry for this. Reason why I'm kind of afraid to do this is we got people talking and stuff.
go ahead.
Alright, sorry about that, folks. If it sees this, it knows it's a beam, it won't pass it. Now, let's do light touch bumper technology. So let's take this over here. It's gonna see, it's gonna slow it down. Hopefully you can get this. Yeah, hopefully you saw that. It automatically slowed down here. Let's get this over here. So you saw that.